Top 10 reasons why you should drink apple cider vinegar every day. Get ready to pucker up and pour yourself a daily dose of apple cider vinegar. But before you take a swig, let's talk about what exactly this fermented beverage is made of. It's made from, you guessed it, apples. And it's not just for adding some tang to your salad dressing. It's a type of vinegar made from fermented apple cider, and it's known for its numerous health benefits. It is rich in acetic acid, which has been shown to have a number of positive effects on the body and even aiding in weight loss. So, without further ado, here are the top 10 reasons why you should be drinking apple cider vinegar every day. Number 1. Helps aid in weight loss. The most obvious benefit of drinking apple cider vinegar is the weight loss aspect. Apple cider vinegar is a great way to help you lose weight. First of all, it can help reduce hunger because it helps to regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Secondly, it has been known to increase the speed of metabolism due to its detoxifying properties. Also, apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps control appetite as well as stimulate production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach for better digestion and nutrient absorption. 2. Helps with blood sugar control and diabetes. Arguably, the most impactful benefit of drinking apple cider vinegar is that it could help treat your diabetes or insulin resistance naturally. Apple cider vinegar is good for our bodies because it helps keep our blood sugar at healthy levels. This is because it has something called pectin in it, which helps lower blood sugar. People who are at risk for type 2 diabetes or other illnesses related to insulin could benefit from drinking apple cider vinegar. This is because it can help prevent these diseases by making our bodies better at using insulin. In simple terms, when our bodies are better at using insulin, we store less carbs as fat and use more carbs for energy, which can lead to weight loss.
Anytime that you become more insulin sensitive, then your body is more favorable toward fat burning than fat storing.
3. Relieves heartburn and acid reflux. Apple cider vinegar can be a great remedy for heartburn and acid reflux. Apple cider vinegar is an effective acid reflux remedy as it helps to reduce the production of stomach acids and also prevents them from rising up into the esophagus. It works as a natural antacid by calming inflammation in your body and balancing pH levels. When there is too much stomach acid present, apple cider vinegar can help to neutralize it while helping to reduce any damage or irritation. It works well alongside other natural remedies such as ginger, turmeric root powder, or peppermint oil. 4. Reduces hunger. Acetic acid is a natural appetite suppressant, and apple cider vinegar is full of it. Research shows that drinking apple cider vinegar can help you feel full for longer and curb your cravings so you eat less. An easy way to add apple cider vinegar into your diet to help you keep the hunger pains at bay is to start your day drinking a glass of water with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, first thing in the morning. And adding a little bit of lemon juice wouldn't hurt either.
Even though it may seem silly or wrong, you must try.
If you're enjoying this list so far, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment and let us know what you think. 5. Regulates pH balance. Apple cider vinegar helps to maintain the pH balance in the vagina, which can be a major cause for vaginal infections. If you experience itching, burning, or pain during intercourse, a bath with a little apple cider vinegar may help relieve these symptoms. Vaginal dryness can be caused by an imbalance in the pH of your vagina. Apple cider vinegar can help to restore this pH balance and alleviate dryness that is causing irritation and discomfort during intercourse.
This is all you need. This is all you need. And no, it does not burn, it doesn't itch, it doesn't nothing.
6. Use it as a hair rinse. An apple cider vinegar hair rinse can help remove product buildup and add shine to your hair. Also, massaging diluted apple cider vinegar into your scalp may even help get rid of dandruff. Try mixing 1 part apple cider vinegar with 1 part water and pour the mixture over your hair. Leave it in for a few minutes before washing it out. If you have sensitive skin, try doing this with a weaker dilution first, since vinegar is quite acidic.
The downsides to apple cider vinegar are it's really acidic, especially if you consume it in its concentrated form.
7. Helps digestion and detoxification. Apple cider vinegar is a great source of enzymes which help to break down the food we eat. It also helps eliminate toxins from your body, making it great for digestive health. Apple cider vinegar contains potassium and magnesium, both minerals that help with digestion and elimination of toxins from your body. 8. reduces symptoms of polycystic ovary syndrome. Polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS, is a condition that affects the ovaries and can cause a variety of symptoms including irregular periods, acne, weight gain, and excessive hair growth. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may have beneficial effects on PCOS symptoms by improving insulin sensitivity, which is often abnormal in women with PCOS. Insulin resistance is a common feature of PCOS, and it makes the body's cells less responsive to insulin. As a result, the body produces more insulin to try and get glucose into the cells, which can lead to weight gain, acne, and other symptoms. By improving insulin sensitivity, apple cider vinegar may be able to reduce these symptoms.
There was a study done with PCOS patients that actually showed some very positive response drinking diluted ACV. In 4 of the patients, they did notice that there was a menstrual cycle with ovulation within 40 days.
9. Treats toenail fungus. Toenail fungus is a condition that affects many people and can be especially hard to get rid of.
And your nails are filthy. Let's get those clean.
Fortunately, there are several methods to go about treating and avoiding it, and one of them is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a popular remedy for toenail fungus due to its antifungal properties. If you want to treat your fungus using apple cider vinegar, you can soak your feet in a mixture of warm water and vinegar for about 15 minutes every day. 10. It makes a great salad dressing. One of the best ways to add apple cider vinegar into your diet is using it as a salad dressing. Not only does it add a tangy and delicious flavor to your greens, but it is also a healthier alternative to many store-bought salad dressings that are high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Making your own salad dressing with apple cider vinegar is easy and only requires a few simple ingredients. By incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet through making salad dressings, you can enjoy its many health benefits while also adding delicious and healthy flavors to your meals. Apple cider vinegar is perhaps one of the best natural remedies for boosting your metabolism and losing weight. Not only does it help with digestion, but it also helps reset your body's pH levels so that you can absorb nutrients more easily. If you want to experience these benefits for yourself, start using apple cider vinegar today. Did you learn anything from today's video? Has incorporating apple cider vinegar had an effect on your health? Let us know in the comments, and be on the lookout for the next video.